You got this annoying suspension warning on your Audi? Don't panic, in this video I'll show you one of the most common causes and how you can fix it yourself. The best part, you can get it done in just a few minutes right in the parking lot or in front of your house. Let's jump straight into it. First, I'll use a budget diagnostic tool to read the exact error codes. Here I'm using the Kingbolen Elite. It's very affordable, has lots of functions, no annual subscription, and it works on many car brands. I've left a link in the description to my detailed review and also the Amazon link. Honestly, sometimes it's been even more useful than my launch. As you can see, the problem is with the front right level sensor. The scanner shows both an electrical and a mechanical fault. Since an original sensor is quite expensive, you could first try cleaning the connector thoroughly or greasing the moving parts in case they're stuck. We already tried that before and it didn't solve the problem, so we'll move straight to replacing it. I'll go quickly through the wheel removal part because hopefully everyone already knows how to do that. Still, I strongly recommend sliding the wheel under the car if you don't have a jack stand, just for your safety. Now we have access to the level sensor, located right here. As you can see, it is connected to the lower control arm here. To remove it, start on the opposite side where the sensor arm is secured with a 10mm nut. To get it off, you'll need to hold the shaft on the other side with an 8mm spanner. There's also another 10mm bolt that secures the sensor bracket to the body. Depending on the tools you're using, you can work from either side, whichever is easier. Once the 10mm bolt is out, release the wiring harness from the bracket. Unplug the electrical connector, and the sensor together with its bracket comes right off. This is how the old sensor and bracket assembly looks like. The new sensor comes complete with the metal bracket and looks like this. Now all that's left is to install the new sensor by following the same steps in reverse order. Let's check the dashboard to see if the message is gone. And as you can see, no more errors. Thanks for watching. On this channel you'll find many more DIY mechanic tutorials as well as reviews of extremely useful car accessories, for which I've also managed to get some great discount codes. I'm sure this will help you save quite a bit of money, so don't forget to support the effort that went into making this video by hitting subscribe, leaving a like and dropping a comment. It's completely free.